When you're out in the wilderness, the food you need might just fit in your pocket. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda out here in the wilderness, and one of the things that I'm not worried about is running out of food, because I brought along with me this. It says chocolate right up there. Who doesn't love chocolate? But this is survival food. They're supplement tablets, so they can kind of keep you alive because this should provide you calories and nutrition. Now, this little tiny bag here includes 24 of these Prep Right survival tabs. So let's check it out. I want to see what they're like and what they taste like. But obviously, quite light to carry around here. 24 chewable tablets. Each one of these tablets includes 240 calories. So it says here that you can take one tablet approximately every hour up to 12 hours daily. So pretty much the whole day, eat one of these every hour on the hour and you're basically going to get your daily caloric intake. In fact, if you eat 12 of these, you're going to be just shy of 3,000 calories, which is going to be a pretty good amount of fuel to keep your engine going. So here's what they look like. They kind of look like big pills. They're much bigger than a daily vitamin. They smell a lot like instant hot chocolate powder. They chew up pretty easily, fairly delicate, and they kind of taste like hot chocolate powder, like a really mild hot chocolate powder. Quite dry, obviously, just the way they're manufactured, so you are probably going to want to take these with some water. I wish I had some on me right now. Made from safe, everyday ingredients, high caloric, protein for strength, fat for endurance, lactose for fast energy. Good thing I'm not lactose intolerant. Lightweight and easy to carry, for sure. 24 tablets in here means that this is 2 days worth of food in ideal situations, and if you were really hard pressed sharing them with a few other people, maybe you could stretch that out even a little more. But this little package right here easily fits into my pocket. Basically it doesn't weigh anything, so it's just one of those things that you could have in a day pack, in a waist pack, emergency survival kit, bug out bag, glove box of your car, and just know that you're going to be able to stave off hunger as well as get your calories and protein so that you're not going to starve to death. Kind of cheap insurance. And then also, what's really nice is it has a little Ziploc top right there, so seal them back up. But pretty good, pretty tasty, pretty chocolatey, and not unpleasant at all. Tastes pretty good. I can see popping another one of these in an hour in a survival situation. So if you want to make sure that you don't starve the next time you're on your adventure or stuck in your car or lost in the woods, I'll put a link to these in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out!
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever thanks to Peter Von Panda. Peter Von Panda.
When you're out in the wilderness, all the food you might need